Hey, Henry McClure live. Man, I'm down here. It's Old Home Week. Look at that. Look at that. See you guys. I'm driving by, and I saw the owner of the building here, the Liberty Building, and this was actually one of my most favorite places. After College Hill, after I sold my building, I moved down here, and this was great. This was great. Man, I used to office up there. That was Billy Ror's old office. And then there's like a shower and bathroom downstairs. Dennis used to let me keep my bicycle here so I could get some exercise, go down to the YMCA for the swimming. We had a meeting one night here, and Brett Blackburn goes, "Hey, some of us has to leave. We're in a violation of the Open Meetings Act." So some of the city council people had to leave right after College Hill. Oh, that was a fun day. But look at this. So $1,000 a month gets you my old office. It's on the 3rd floor. And look, he just put in a whole new security system. And you can either open it with a fob. It's got stairs and an elevator. And I love being here. I love being here. Plenty of parking over here. And Dennis is a good landlord. I mean, Dennis loves his buildings. He made it to where you can open your building, or open the windows now, put new windows in. He's been methodical about taking care of this building. Man, he's got a plan here that I'd love to execute, where you take the 2nd floor and you can turn it into a house lickety-split. The city wouldn't let him do it himself, which he's more than capable of doing, but since he wasn't a general contractor. So if you want to live and do business downtown, I could actually help make that deal happen. You know, every once in a while my big clients get me involved with residential real estate, but it's only for the elites. These are all the referrals like Go Topeka gets for all the businesses. So he wants me to figure out who's going in here. Built a new addition. Well, look at that. Greg Schwert, how did you get away without doing this deal? Ooh, look at that. Maybe an out-of-town guy, actually. We got new people working in town. Look at this. Wow, look at that guy. He's moving. I've got the International Oddfellows building for sale, but I'm working on an agreement. I got a deal. I should go. I'll go into the office and work on that agreement. Well, I don't know what's going on here with all that. That looks like a lot to add for not getting a lot out of it. Must be government funded somehow. The Methodist church down yonder. I went to the Methodist church a couple of times. It's like Episcopalian light. The Catholics call us Catholic light. Ooh, I got a plan for the Orthodox. I'm gonna go write that up for Father Nikolai today. This absolutely, officing out of the Liberty Building was one of the most fun things and one of the nicest places. God, I had some great times here. I had some really good help. There's a young lady, her name was Love at the time. Her dad, I think, is John Love. And this was the best administrative person I've ever had working for me, ever. Never had to tell her what to do, always finding something to do. And you know, if you're going to be an entrepreneur today, you're not going to make it if you have to be told what to do and how to do it. If you've ever heard the fable about nail soup, or it's also stone soup, read about that. Because that's what it's like to be in business for yourself. You've got the stone, or you got the nail, and you got to figure out how to make soup. There's Marshall Barber's office over there. KDOT not paying real estate taxes. Well, the Liberty Building, 1,000 feet. Oh, it's I used to have Billy Ror's old office. He built in some really neat cabinets. So there's a little reception area, an office, or you could make it an office or a storage room, and then one really nice executive office. And if you really want to do something fun, this idea, I mean, it's so cool. He designed a patio to go in there. I think his son David, who's in Kansas City, I think did the designs. What I love about living down here and being able to just walk everywhere. Henry McClure live. I know it's getting late in the day, but if nobody's told you they love you yet, know I love you.